In this video, we will modify the format of the pie chart, starting with the title. The title should not be total, but instead a descriptive title, like portion of transactions by methods paid. Pie charts are also notoriously hard to read in terms of distinguishing what area or what percentage each of these little slices of the pie represent. You can guess, but your guess isn't likely to be super accurate, so it is best to add in the actual counts for each category or the percentages. I'll show you a simple way to do this using chart styles. If you're clicked anywhere on the chart, if you go to the Design tab, you have a choice of many styles. If you scroll over them, you can get a preview of what they're going to look like. Some of the styles will even include the percentages or the counts directly for you. We want to choose one of the styles with the percentages, and I'm going to choose this one. This is style 8. Another thing I mentioned you could change for all charts, but we haven't changed yet, is that you can change the color palette by clicking here. Right now we're set to Colorful Palette 1. We're going to change it to Colorful Palette 4, and our pie chart will get new colors. Something else that we haven't changed yet is the position of the legend. A legend is extremely important in a pie chart because it's telling us the green area is credit, which is 35% of all transactions, yellow is direct, which is 43% of all transactions, and blue is debit, 22% of all transactions. I can move this legend anywhere I want by clicking on the Design tab and using Add Chart Element. Right now it's on the right. I can move it to the top, the left, or the bottom. We are going to leave it on the left, and that will be all the modifications we make to this pie chart.